Once again, good morning to another lesson. So for today, we will be having math. Our topic would be about comparing length. Okay, so this was our previous lesson. Okay, so this will be the second time that we will discuss the same topic. But this time, we will have more activities so that you will be able to learn and understand this lesson. Okay, are you ready? So before we start, as usual, these are the things that you need. So make sure that before continuing this video, you have the following things. Your math learner's book on page 79, math worksheet, which I sent to you already, pencil and eraser. So make sure that you have the following things, okay? So our learning objectives, at the end of this video, you should be able to compare the length of the objects using comparative words and arrange objects according to their length. Before we have some activities, let us first review what do you mean by length. Okay, so when we say length, okay, is a measure on how high or long or wide something is. So when we say length, okay, we want to measure, okay, the height, the width, okay, or how long is the object is. So that is what we mean by length. Okay, so this time, let's open your Math Learner's book on page 79. Have you found this page? Okay, so what have you seen in this page? Yes, there are caterpillars. Okay, and caterpillars comes in different colors and sizes. So, okay, how long is each caterpillar? So let's have first the green one. How long it is? Okay, so it is 3 circle long. So in order for us to know how long, we have to count the circles in the caterpillar. So 1, 2, 3. So this caterpillar is 3 circles long, right? How about this red and orange caterpillar? Okay, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How long is this red-orange caterpillar? Yes, it is 6 circle long. Now, let's compare. Okay, between the green and the red-orange caterpillar, which is longer? Okay, very good. So this caterpillar is longer. And how did we know that this caterpillar is longer? By counting the number of circles. So this one has 6 circles, while the green one has only red circles. So it means that the red-orange caterpillar is longer than the green one. Okay, let's continue. How about the blue caterpillar? Okay, so the blue one is how long? Okay, it is 4 circle caterpillar. While the purple one, how long is it? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, which one or which between the blue and the purple is the longer? Okay, so we have the purple one. So this one is longer. Okay, now let's compare the 4 caterpillars. So let me just erase some of my notes. Now, so this is 3, 6, 4, and 7. So which is, let me just write it again, 3, 6, 4, and then 7. So which is the shortest? The shortest among the caterpillar? Okay, the green one is the shortest. We know that it is the shortest because it has only 3. While among the 4 caterpillars, which one is the longest? Okay, it is the purple one because it has how many? How many circles? Okay, so it has 7 circles. Okay, now, so this time, okay, if you want to make your own caterpillar, you can make, okay, using some colored papers, okay, make caterpillars, okay, 1 or 2 caterpillars, okay, and tell me how long it is, okay. You can show me your caterpillars if you want, okay. You can make it longer or you can make it shorter, okay. Okay, now let's compare 2 trees. Okay, so this tree is tall. Now, if this tree is tall, what will be the length of this tree? This tree will be, okay, the tree is taller. So, will you repeat after me? Tall, taller. Okay, so when we compare 2 things, okay, we use the comparative adjective. Remember in English, tall, taller. Okay, we add ER, okay, for comparative. Let's continue. This one, the building. Okay, which do you think is the taller building? Taller building. Okay, the green one is tall, while the pink one is taller. Very good. Okay, now let's compare the 2 kids. Okay, which do you think is the shorter? Who is shorter, the girl or the boy? Okay, so the girl is short and the boy is shorter. Will you repeat after me? Short, shorter. How about these worms? Let us compare the worms. Which worm do you think is shorter? The one in the left side or the one in the right side? Is it the left worm or the right worm? The shorter worm. Okay, so the left worm is short while the right worm is shorter. Very good. How about these colors or color pencil? Which do you think is long or longer? Which one is longer? Okay, so the blue one is longer while the pink one is long. Will you repeat after me? Longer, long. Very good. Now let's compare the 2 school bus. Okay, which school bus is longer? Okay, the first one is long, while the second one is longer. Very good. Okay, now let us see, okay, if you know how to identify long and short. Okay, so this time we have to answer some of this activity. Okay, so look at this slice of bread. Which slice of bread is long? Which one? Is it the first one or the second one? Okay, so the first one is long. How about the bed? Which bed is long? The first bed or the second bed? Correct. The second bed is the long bed. How about with the pan? Which pan or frying pan is long? The first one or the second one? Correct. It is the first one. Okay, now let's go with some items that are short. So which carrot is short? Is it the first one or the second one? Okay, it is the first carrot. How about the box or boxes? Which box is long? Is it the left box or the right box? Correct, the left box is long. Which trap is short? These are mouse traps, so they use for catching mouse. So which one is short? The first or the second? Okay, very good. The short one is the first mouse or the first trap. Did you get the difference between long and short? Okay, so let's have more activity. Okay, so this time, okay, you can pause the video, or if you want, you can continue answering together with Miss Milky, okay? So let's go with the tree. So same as the example before. Which is taller? Okay, the left tree is taller. Now, which is shorter? Is it the glass or the goblet or the cup or mug? It's the mug. Very good. Which is taller? The boy or the girl? Okay, the girl is taller than the boy. How about these ladders? Which is shorter? The brown one or the yellow one? Okay, so the brown one. Okay, which is taller? These are fridge. Okay, this one on the left is the taller. How about this one? Which is shorter? The building or the house? Correct. The house is shorter than the building. Okay, kids, this time, okay, it's your another, or we will have another board work. This time we have to arrange, okay, the length of the object. From shortest, you're going to write number 1 to the shortest, and then until you reach for the longest. Okay, so I will do the first one, and I will ask you to answer the rest. Okay, so first we have here number 1, which is the shortest. Okay, so this is number 1, 2, and then 3. So I mark number 1 for the shortest, and I mark number 3 for the longest. Now you can pause this video to answer first, okay, even for a sheet of paper, or you can just answer it using your mobile or your iPods. And then you can play once you finish answering, okay? Okay, let's answer. How about number 2? Okay, so the correct order would be 1, 2, and 3. Very good. How about number 3? These are cotton buds. For number 3, so it would be 1, 2, and then 3. Very good. Did you get the correct answer? Okay, how about this one, the last object? So it will be 1, 2, and then 3. Very good. Okay, let's continue. Okay, this time, kids, I want you to answer this worksheet. So same as we did before. Okay, you're just going to arrange the object by writing number 1 with the shortest, and number 3 will be the longest. Now, I will wait for your answer. You just have to send me your answer, okay, in our K-12 net, okay? And that's the end of our lesson. Hope that you learned more about length, how to compare length, and how to arrange objects according to length, from shortest to longest, and to compare things from long to longer, short to shorter, and tall to taller. Okay? So we will have another lesson tomorrow for math. Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye, kids.